Topic: Agentforce concepts for the Salesforce Agentforce Specialist certification. These questions are designed to test your understanding of Salesforce functionality, particularly in relation to agent management, service efficiency, and productivity tools in Agentforce. 1. What is Agentforce in Salesforce? Answer: Agentforce is a Salesforce configuration tailored to support service agents. It enhances the Service Cloud by integrating productivity tools like omnichannel, macros, knowledge, and case management to streamline customer support. Some have two. Which Salesforce feature allows automatic routing of cases to available agents in Agentforce? A. Queues. B. Assignment rules. C. Omnichannel. D. Escalation rules. Answer: C. Omnichannel. Explanation: Omnichannel automatically routes work items like cases, chats, leads to the most suitable and available agents based on workload and skills. Tatter 3. How do macros help agents in Agentforce? Answer: Macros automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, updating case statuses, or creating follow up tasks. This helps agents work faster and consistently without manual repetition. 4. Which component in Agentforce helps agents access helpful articles during case resolution? A. Case feed. B. Knowledge component. C. Console app. D. Flow builder. Answer: B. Knowledge component explanation. The knowledge component displays relevant articles to agents based on the case context, aiding in faster resolutions. 5. What is the primary purpose of the Salesforce console app in Agentforce? Answer: The console app allows agents to work on multiple records simultaneously in a tab-based interface. It improves multitasking and reduces the time spent switching between records. 6. Which of the following helps enforce consistent service processes in Agentforce? A. Flows. B. Case milestones. C. Entitlements. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Explanation: Flows, milestones, and entitlements ensure agents follow guided steps, meet service level agreements, SLAs, and deliver consistent customer service. Hasher 7. What is the role of present status in omnichannel? Answer: Present status determines whether an agent is available to receive work items. Agents can set their status, e.g., available away, and omnichannel routes work accordingly. 8. In Agentforce, which feature provides real-time insights into agent performance and workload? A. Reports, dashboards. C. Omni Supervisor. D. List views. Answer: C. Omni Supervisor. Explanation: Omni Supervisor gives supervisors real-time visibility into agent availability, open cases, and performance to manage workloads effectively. 9. What is the use of case feed in the Agentforce console? Answer: Case feed provides a chronological timeline of all actions and communications on a case, allowing agents to understand the history and context efficiently. 10. What benefit does screen pop functionality provide in Agentforce? Answer: Screen pop automatically displays a relevant Salesforce record, like a contact or case, when an agent receives a call or chat, improving efficiency and response time. And answers. Which Salesforce object is commonly used to track and resolve customer service issues in Agentforce? A. Contact. B. Lead, case. D. Account. Answer: Cease. Explanation: The case object is central to the Service Cloud and Agentforce, used to record, track, and resolve customer support requests. 12. What is the purpose of quick text in Agentforce? Answer: Quick text allows agents to insert predefined messages into emails, chats, and notes to respond faster and consistently while reducing typing effort. 13. What does the case path component do in the Agentforce console? Answer: Case path visually guides agents through each stage of a case, e.g., new, in progress, closed, showing key fields and steps to complete at each stage. 14. What tool allows you to automate case field updates based on specific criteria in Agentforce? A. Workflow rule. B. Validation rule. C. Approval process. D. Record type. Answer: A. Workflow rule. Explanation: Workflow rules automate field updates, tasks, email alerts, and outbound messages based on case criteria. 15. In Agentforce, how do assignment rules help agents? Answer: Assignment rules automatically assign new cases to the right queue or agent based on defined criteria like subject, priority, or region. Hash 16. What is the use of email to case in Agentforce? Answer: Email to case converts customer emails into cases automatically, preserving the conversation and allowing agents to respond directly from Salesforce. 17. How does case escalation work in Agentforce? A. Sends cases to sales reps. B. Deletes cases automatically. C. Alerts management when a case isn't resolved in time. D. Assigns leads to agents. C. Alerts management when a case isn't resolved in time. Explanation. Case escalation rules notify higher level users or reassign cases when SLAs or response time limits are missed. 18. What is the role of entitlement management in Agentforce? Answer. Entitlement management defines service contracts and milestones, like response and resolution times, that agents must follow for each customer or product. Error 19. Which feature helps agents prioritize urgent work based on business rules? A. Macros. B. Priority field. C. Work rules in omnichannel. D. Escalation history. Answer. C. Work rules in omnichannel. Explanation. Work rules define prioritization, routing logic, and conditions, so high priority work is sent to agents first. 20. What is the difference between a queue and a present status in Agentforce? Answer. Queue. A container where unassigned records like cases wait until picked up or assigned. Present status indicates whether an agent is available to receive routed work via omnichannel. What is the benefit of using compact layouts in the Agentforce console? Answer. Compact layouts display key record fields at the top of a record page, helping agents quickly view important case or contact information without scrolling. 22. How does case merge benefit support agents in Agentforce? Answer. Case merge allows agents to combine duplicate cases into one, avoiding confusion, consolidating interactions, and providing a complete view of the customer's issue. 23. What is a utility bar in the Agentforce console and how is it used? Answer. The utility bar is a customizable footer in the console app that provides quick access to tools like notes, history, macros, soft phones, or omnichannel, improving multitasking and productivity. How does using the knowledge article feedback feature help improve the support process? A. It deletes outdated articles. It collects agent user input on article helpfulness. C. It escalates cases. D. It tags customers automatically. It collects agent user input on article helpfulness. Explanation. Feedback helps content managers refine knowledge base quality and accuracy based on user experience. 25. What's the main advantage of using record types in Agentforce? Answer. Record types allow different business processes, pick list values, and page layouts for the same object, e.g., case, ensuring agents see only relevant fields and workflows. 26. What tool can be used to guide agents through multi-step processes in Agentforce without coding? A. Apex triggers. B. Flow Builder. C. Reports. D. Process Builder. Answer. B. Flow Builder. Explanation. Flow Builder allows you to design visual, interactive processes that agents can follow step by step, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. Hash 27. Which Salesforce feature can automatically suggest knowledge articles during case creation? Answer. Suggested articles, powered by Einstein or Standard Search, provide real-time suggestions based on case subject or description, helping agents resolve issues faster. 28. What is the use of the case team feature in Agentforce? Answer. Case teams let multiple users collaborate on a case. Each member can be assigned specific roles and permissions to contribute to resolution effectively. 29. In the Agentforce console, what does split view allow agents to do? A. Compare dashboards side by side. B. View multiple orgs at once. C. Navigate lists and work on records simultaneously. D. Send emails in bulk. Answer. C. Navigate lists and work on records simultaneously. Explanation. Split view enables agents to quickly move between records without losing context, ideal for high-volume case management. Half-hour 30. Which standard Salesforce object links a customer to multiple support cases and enables agents to view relationship history? A. Opportunity bead. C. Contact. D. Account. Answer. D. Account. Explanation. The account object stores customer or company level data and links related contacts and cases, giving agents a 360-degree customer view. What does the push timeout setting in Omnichannel determine? A. How long it takes to assign a case to a user. B. Time limit before the system reassigns an unanswered work item. C. Time an agent can be idle before being logged out. D. Delay before an agent can accept more cases. Answer. B. Time limit before the system reassigns an unanswered work item. Explanation. If an agent doesn't accept an incoming work item within the push timeout period, it is returned to the queue or routed to another agent. 32. What is the difference between a macro and a quick action in Agentforce? Answer: macro automates a sequence of steps on a record, e.g., send email plus update status. Quick action performs a single task like creating a new task or updating a field and can be used inside macros or on page layouts. 33. Which Agentforce feature ensures an agent is not overwhelmed with too many cases at once? A. Case auto response rules. B. Capacity management and omnichannel. See case escalation. D. Service entitlements. Answer B. Capacity management and omnichannel. Explanation: omnichannel uses capacity settings to control how much work an agent can handle based on work item size and agent workload. Hatter 34. How do service level agreements, SLAs, integrate with Agentforce? Answer: SLAs are tracked using entitlements and milestones, helping agents ensure cases meet time-based service expectations, like first response or resolution within a set time frame. 35. What is the purpose of the agent work object in Omnichannel? A. Tracks user activity logs. B. Stores queue configuration. C. Represents work routed to agents. D. Holds service contracts. Answer: C. Represents work routed to agents. Explanation: the agent work object logs each item routed via omnichannel, helping track time, status, and agent interactions. What feature helps supervisors identify agents who are overloaded or idle in real time? Answer: Omnichannel Supervisor Explanation. It provides a dashboard to monitor agent availability, capacity, active work, and status in real time. 37. What role do presence configurations play in Agentforce? Answer: Presence configurations define how agents can receive work via omnichannel, including allowed presence statuses and related channels, e.g., chat, case. 38. How does the email message object help agents manage communication in Agentforce? A. Stores outbound call logs. B. Stores email communication linked to a case. C. Routes cases to agents. D. Controls user email settings. Answer: Stores email communication linked to a case. Explanation: the email message object records both inbound and outbound emails and maintains a thread within the case timeline. 39. What is a key benefit of enabling Knowledge One in the Agentforce console? Answer: It allows agents to search, attach, and create knowledge articles directly within the console, boosting productivity and improving first contact resolution rates. 140. What is the use of the Lightning App Builder in customizing the Agentforce console? Answer: Lightning App Builder lets admins design and configure page layouts, utility bars, and components in the Agentforce console to enhance the agent experience. How does the Salesforce softphone feature help agents in Agentforce? Answer: The softphone allows agents to make and receive calls directly within the console interface, integrates with CTI systems, and can automatically log call details and relate them to records like cases or contacts. 42. What is a key benefit of enabling high-velocity sales HVS features for service agents in Agentforce? A. Reduces case escalation. B. Streamlines lead routing. C. Automates repetitive tasks through cadences. D. Increases storage capacity. Answer: C. Automates repetitive tasks through cadences. Explanation: HVS cadences guide agents through predefined sequences of activities like